Hello. I was just going to head to the basement when I found that I had these things. And what they are, they're like glasses, but they give you more light to work. Now I'm sure there's a more modern version of this somewhere, I'm sure. But I'm going to give this a try. Now it's good in a way, because it makes it very difficult to ever leave the batteries on, because you have to have them, I mean, they don't engage unless you put these things on. But then, of course, the batteries, they could very easily fall out, which I'm trying desperately not to have happen right about now. So, yes. So if you are working on something, I could see how I mean, it's not a whole lot of light, but you don't want too much. I suspect if I could find, here's the case. I've had these for years. Always thought, yeah, these would be kind of cool. Haven't really used them, but I did think to myself that, you know, maybe if I could find them, combined with my reading glasses, if they would fit, that these would be handy at times. Because it's funny, you know, I have a lot of light around here, but sometimes it's just not where I need it. Especially if I'm trying to look very closely at something. See my glasses. I've got a bunch of glasses. They gotta be around here. Oh well, they will show up when I clean off this table. The next big adventure in this is to take these off and open, well, take them off. Figure out how to put them in without dropping all the batteries. It's got to be this way. No, it doesn't have to be this way. Maybe it's this way. See, there's a bit of a ridge here, kind of like a nose. So maybe I just have to flip this over. Batteries are trying to fall out. Okay, it's in. Look at that. It's in. Does the case close? Case closed. All right, I'm going to use these sometime. I'm sure they'll be handy. Yes. Anyway, I would encourage everybody, first of all, stay safe. Also, if you have too much stuff around, try and very ruthlessly go through and get rid of things. I have done well at getting rid of a lot of things recently. Not Commodore things yet, but that is coming. The very first room that I would film in before, I'm going to start to go through. Hi, Penny. I'm going to start to go through. And yes, little by little. Hi, Penny. Things will go up for sale. So do not forget that, you know, if there's something you're interested in and you would like to inquire or make an offer on something, normally I do sell through eBay and Kijiji for local things and such. But really, if there's something you're after, drop me a line. I'm not, how do I put this? You know what, I've saved this stuff for a long time. I paid storage on it for a long time, so I'm not looking to give it away. And I don't know what exactly reasonable is, but I guess I'll know what reasonable is when I hear it. Anyway, I have, as you may know, many Commodore 64s, Vic-20s, not nearly as many of them. I've got some Amiga stuff. One thing that I have a lot of monitors. Oh, I have a lot of monitors. I've got to start going through. That's why I keep saying I gotta get an area clear so I can just test things. It's not going so well so far. Indeed, yes. I need help. Help. You know what I mostly need? I just need to focus. Focus. Maybe these little glasses with the lights will, and with my reading glasses attached will help me get better focus. Maybe. Focus. Anyway, they do work, but we don't really need to celebrate yet. I need to remember to put Hagrid's arms down until there's something to celebrate. And yes, these things working are good. It's good. It's all good. Yes. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for coming. Stay safe. Bye for now.